Let's start part 2 of the weekly MCQ series. गाइस, मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में पार्ट 1 का लिंक गिवन है, आप वहाँ से इसको देख सकते हैं. Let's start. 26th question is name the state UT government which has launched a Pariyatan Sanjeevani scheme to provide loan between 1 lakh and 20 lakh to entrepreneurs. Options are Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim or J&K. Its answer is Assam. Next question. Which bank has launched India's first warehouse commodity finance app? Options are IDBI Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank or HDFC Bank. Its answer is HDFC Bank. Next question is Reserve Bank of India has approved a 3-member committee headed by Meeta Makhan to function as ad interim MD and CEO of which bank? Dhanlakshmi Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank, ING Vaisya Bank or Karur Vaisya Bank. Its answer is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Next question. Mustafa Adib has been resigned from the post of Prime Minister of which country? Options are Lebanon, Kuwait, Morocco, UAE or Oman. Its answer is Lebanon. Next question. Alappan Bandyopadhyay has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of which state? Options are Telangana, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh or Gujarat. Its answer is West Bengal. Next question. The virtual bilateral meeting between India and which country held recently in September 2020? Options are Sri Lanka, Maldives, Finland, Sweden or Iceland. Its answer is Sri Lanka. Next question is Ishar Judge Ahluwalia, who passed away recently, is the former chairperson of which organization? ICRIER, ICAR, ICMR or CSIR or AEC. Its answer is ICRIER, Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations. Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations. Next question is the World Tourism Day was annually celebrated on 27 September. What is the theme of World Tourism Day 2020? Tourism for all, promoting universal accessibility to sustainable tourism, a tool for development, tourism and the digital transformation, tourism and jobs, a future for better future for all, tourism and rural development. Its answer is tourism and rural development. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन वाज द वर्ल्ड रेबीज डे ऑब्जर्व्ड एनुअली. इस बार का थीम जिसका रहा था एंड रेबीज, कोलैबोरेट एंड वैक्सीनेट. ऑप्शंस आर September 30, September 26, September 28, September 27 और September 29. इट्स आंसर इज September 28. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज World Deaf Day 2020 was observed on July 15, 1st October, 5th September, 27th September or 29th August. Its answer is 27th September. Next question is name the app which was launched by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan during World Tourism Day celebration 2020. Its options are Samadhan, Samarth, Pathik, Sathi or Sehat. Its answer is Sathi, System for Assessment, Awareness and Training and for Hospitality Industry application. Next question is who has launched Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR's vaccine web portal and National Clinical Registry for COVID-19. Its options are Amit Shah, Nirmala Sitharaman, Harshvardhan, Nitin Gadkari or Prakash Javadekar. Its answer is Harshvardhan. Next question is which edition of International Day for Universal Access to Information IDUAI was observed on September 28 on the theme Access to Information in Time of Crisis. Options are 3rd edition, 2nd edition, 1st edition, 4th edition or 5th edition. Its answer is it was the 1st edition. Next question, what is the theme of International Week of the Deaf 2020? Options are reaffirming deaf people's human rights, sign language rights for all, with sign language everyone is included, full inclusion with sign language or with sign language I am equal. Its answer is reaffirming deaf people's human rights. Next question is former Union Minister Jaswant Singh, who passed away recently, is the founding member of which party? Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Indian National Congress, All India Trinamool Congress or National People's Party. Its answer is Bharatiya Janata Party. Next question is who has won the Russian Grand Prix 2020? So its answer is already given. Valtteri Bottas has won Russian Grand Prix. Next question is who has inaugurated the Destination Northeast 2020 through video conference और इसका थीम रहा था द इमर्जिंग डिलाइटफुल डेस्टिनेशंस. ऑप्शंस आर हर्षवर्धन, निर्मला Sitharaman, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah or Prakash Javadekar? Its answer is Amit Shah. Next question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Kerala-based startup Entry? Its answer is Robin Uthappa. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Mali in September 2020? Options are Mokhtar Oune, Ba Nadom, Assimi Goita, Ibrahim Boubacar or Assimi Goita. Its answer is Mokhtar Oune. Next question is, name the person who has been robbed by RBI for consumer awareness campaign. MS Dhoni, Kareena Kapoor, Virat Kohli, Amitabh Bachchan or Anushka Sharma? Its answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next question is, RBI has introduced a positive pay system for check truncation system for above dash from January 1, 2021. Above 10,000 rupees, above 75,000 rupees, above 50,000 rupees, above 25,000 rupees or above 1 lakh rupees. Its answer is above 50,000 rupees. RBI has introduced a positive pay system for check truncation system above 50,000 rupees from January 1, 2021. Next question is, which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana for farmers? Rupees 4,000 will be transferred to farmers annually. Options are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh or Telangana. Its answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana for farmers, according to which 4,000 rupees will be transferred to farmers annually. Next question is, India along with which country or countries held virtually on meet on Indo-Pacific under Quad framework recently? Its options are Japan, Austria, USA, both Japan or Austria or all Japan, Austria or USA. Its answer is all. Next question is, the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020 deregulates the production, supply and distribution of which among the following? Options are petrol, jute, cereals, fertilizers or none of the above. Its answer is cereals. Next question is, cable stayed bridge constructed across which lake was inaugurated in Telangana recently? It was claimed as world's longest precast segmental span. Options are Pokhar Lake, Pocharam Lake, Durgavam Cheruvu Lake, Laknavaram Lake or Shamir Pet Lake. Its answer is Durgam Cheruvu Lake. Thanks for watching this session. If you really like this session, please hit the like button and please share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this session.